Hello student, let's discuss chapter number 5, dissolution of a partnership firm. So compared to the chapter number 3 and chapter number 4, this chapter is less complicated and easy also. So in this chapter we will learn the dissolution of a partnership firm. So you know already what is the meaning of a partnership. So now we will understand the meaning of a dissolution. Dissolution means a termination or a closing down of a business. So they are having a two words, partnership and partnership firm. So first we will learn the meaning of a dissolution of a partnership. So dissolution of a partnership means termination of a relationship by one or a few of the partners, and remaining partners continue the business of the firm under a new agreement. So sometimes due to the some reasons, means admission of a partner or retirement or the death of the partner, so one of the partner is admitted or one of the partner is retired. So that time this partner going outside. So this remaining partners are continue the business in future. So only one partners is affected. So remaining partners are the continue business. So their reason also having a, so what is the reason of this dissolution of partnership? Admission of partnership, retirement of partnership, death of partnership, and sometimes a change in the existing profit sharing ratio. Insolvency of a partners, that they are having so many reasons to dissolution of a partnership. Next is a dissolution of a partnership firm. Partnership firm means a partnership business. So dissolution of a partnership firm means a termination of a relationship by all the partners with the partnership and a complete closing down of a partnership business. So in this case, this partnership relation is also closing down, means a termination of a relationship by all the partners with the partnership, means these partners are not continuing their business in future. They are completely closing down of a business, and all the assets are going to sell, and they have to pay the liabilities of the business also. So in both the case, what is the difference? In the first case only it's affect the dissolution only partnership relationship, so business is a continue. In a second, means a dissolution of partnership firm, there all business is a closing downs, and they are not continuing their business. So next, or the most important is a realization account. In admission of partner or the retirement, we prepare the revaluation accounts, but in the dissolution of a partnership firm, we have to prepare a realization account. Realization means what? Whenever we going to sell anything in the market, that time we will get a return. This return means a realization. So in the dissolution of partnership, partners closing down their business, that time they are going to sell all the assets and pay off all the liabilities. So this whenever they going to sell the assets, that time they get a cash. So after the paying all the liabilities, they get a profit or a loss. This means realization, profit or loss. Let us see the meaning of a realization. Realization account is prepared at the time of a dissolution of a partnership firm. So it is prepared only at the time of a partnership dissolution of a partnership firm. To ascertain means to find out the profit or a loss of realization of asset, means selling or sold of asset, and payment of liabilities.